Hello there.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Welcome to We Made It.
I'm BJ.
I'm Corey.
We're the Maze.
Yes, we are.
And if you're not social distancing, you should be. And we still are. But that's not going to stop us from making amazing cocktails. So thanks for joining us.
It's like the only thing that's fun right now.
It is pretty much 80% of our entertainment right now.
One of the only things that's fun is like, making new cocktails and then drinking them on virtual happy hours.
Virtual happy hour. Also, she's taken a great deal of joy, like watching the cart fill up on Instacart as our private shopper goes.
Dude,
like that's her entertainment right now.
It's so entertaining.
Yes.
I sit there and I go, "Oh, she's got 9 out of 10 items. Oh, what's she gonna sub out for this item?"
I wonder if we'll get the good eggs or the bad eggs.
So exciting. Y'all, this is sad. I need a hobby.
This is why we're watching all
this is.
Yes.
This is our hobby. So we are making today
a Royal Hawaiian.
A Royal Hawaiian. And apparently we're in a tropical drinks mood today.
It seems so.
Because if you follow us on social media, and you should. If you're not.
Get on it.
We made a Mai Tai.
We did.
Earlier today.
Yep.
Just posted the recipe, didn't do a video. But the reason is because we bought this stuff. And this is, I'm going to let you say it because you say it better.
Orgeat.
Orgeat, which is just almond syrup.
It is.
And what's in this stuff? Do we know? Do we
I
even
don't
know? It's like almonds and sugar and water.
Pretty much. And it's featured heavily in a lot of sort of Caribbean tropical sort of drinks.
There you go. Water, cane sugar, almonds, orange flower water. That's the other weird thing.
Orange flower. Yeah, there it is.
And like citric acid and some preservatives and stuff. So we bought this because it's in a lot of cocktails.
It is.
If you go on Pinterest and you're just looking for drinks, especially a lot of older retro cocktails, because the tiki movement in cocktails was real big in the 1950s. 1940s and 50s. That's when the daiquiri, they were making daiquiris and rum became really kind of popular in cocktails. And this is a thing, in a lot of Caribbean cocktails.
Is. And if you want to look it up and find it, it's not spelled like how it sounds, right? So I said Orgeat, but it's Orgeat. It looks like it says Orgeat. Orgeat. I said orgy on camera. I said orgeat.
Just whatever.
Got a problem? Orgeat.
But it's an odd ingredient.
It is.
But it's easily
it's easy enough to find
easily sourced. Also, it gives us an excuse
to use
our Empress 1908 gin. This is just gin, but it has butterfly pea flower in it. And it's a natural ingredient. This is not dyed blue. It's actually made from a natural ingredient that makes it super, super royal blue.
And there's a little bit of a chemical reaction for fun when it interacts with citrus.
This is all part of the trick. So how much are you starting? You're starting with the Orgeat.
I'm starting with the Orgeat. And this, we're going to make a quadruple today because...
Why?
Well,
tell them why.
Because it will perfectly use up one of these little 6-ounce cans of pineapple juice that we had, and we just every time we open one of these, and then we throw it in the fridge, and then we don't use it, and we pour it out, and we feel bad.
Right.
So we're making a quadruple, but don't hurt yourself. If you
can just sit in the shaker.
If you've got a pineapple juice thing that has a screw top or something, just only make yourself a single or a double. It's fine.
But we decided that we would just use up the whole can, and then we'll just drink off of it tonight.
Yes.
So it'll be fine.
The recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of Orgeat.
Yes, and it's very, very strong flavor.
It is. It's punchy.
The recipe, the Mai Tai only called for 1/4 ounce.
The Mai Tai, was just a little bit.
Is also, 2 teaspoons?
Quarter ounce is going to be, just about 2 teaspoons.
Yeah, so it doesn't take much of that.
And all 6 ounces of this can are going in there. You can just put that whole thing in there. Yep. And then that was 4 teaspoons of the Orgeat, 6 ounces, so 1.5 ounces per drink of the pineapple juice, and 1/2 ounce per drink, which is a total of 2 ounces for our quadruple of lemon juice. You notice we didn't put our gin in there.
Yep.
You're going to see why in just a moment.
So exciting. So again, we haven't done this in a while, I think. So, but if you're not using a good, like, only lemon juice out of a bottle, just squeeze your own.
Yes.
Because you don't want the gross, like...
Don't get the little plastic thing that looks like a lemon. No, not great.
No.
So I'm going to go ahead and shake this.
Yep.
And we're going to use crushed ice in our glasses. Corey's going to fill those up. Yep. And then we're going to come back, and then we'll add the gin, and you'll see something fun. So stay with us. We'll shake it till it's too cold to hold, and we'll be right back.
Damn it.
All right, it's about too cold to hold. You'll notice my lovely wife is slicing up some garnish for us over there.
Your lovely assistant.
My lovely assistant is slicing up some garnish. You like assistant better than wife?
Makes me feel like a magician's assistant.
Oh, I gotcha.
I don't know.
So I'm gonna go ahead and try and get some of this in our Collins glasses without making a big mess of everything. Collins glasses are sort of small and difficult to pour into. At the top, like they're get up high and look down at it. All right, you want to go a little further with that?
I mean, are we going to use it up?
It's going to be close.
You're going to use almost all of it, yeah.
Yep.
Is there going to be room for the gin?
There's perfect, yeah.
Okay.
All right, so the magic here.
I can never get the Empress open.
Isn't it such a drag?
It
Do you need help?
Weird stopper. No.
It's a synthetic cork, and so it doesn't like flex at all.
Okay.
We're going to add 1.5 ounces per drink, which is a total of 3 ounces per double.
Which is a lot of gin.
Which is a lot of gin, right? So that's take care. That's 3 ounces, and watch what happens when she adds this. You're going to have to pour it kind of hard, actually.
Magic. So the point of this is you pour it on top, and as it reacts with the citrus in the bottom, it should start to turn pink in the middle.
And it kind of does.
Is it doing it?
Changing colors. Look how pretty this is. This is this multi-stage thing.
Yes. Now, I think we did not get quite... If we had put more ice in here, it wouldn't fit. Woo! Wouldn't fit. But...
I think we did that pretty much perfect.
Yeah. You want a lot of ice. I think this is supposed to be sort of like a snow cone.
Okay, now we're going to put straws in and drink it up.
Yeah, now we should also mention that we've never tried this.
Oh yeah,
This is another like...
Totally virgin try here.
On the fly.
Not virgin. I mean, it's got
3 ounces,
3 ounces of gin,
for
but
crying out loud.
But
okay, so now I would mix it up now.
Can I go ahead and give it a little mix?
Gin.
Right, you don't want to be just like nothing but gin at the top.
Right, so now it's going to be purple.
It's going to be all purpley, like cloudy purple.
But the difference in the color, look, hold this, put this back over here.
Yeah, look at how it got from blue to this gorgeous pink.
It's almost like lavender.
It's pretty.
Oh gosh, I didn't even think. Look, I kind of coordinated.
You almost matched the cocktail. There you go. Should we try it? Should we toast?
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's very tropical.
Oh, I like that so much.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, I'm sticking the whole lemon down
I tell you that the Orgeat has such an interesting, complex flavor.
It's good.
That like I made the Mai Tai earlier today, and he went. I didn't tell him what it was. I do that sometimes. I just make him a thing and like, here, put this in your face.
Here, open your mouth.
Yep, and he does because he trusts me. And he was like, "What is in this?" Because it adds a little bit of complexity.
This is tasty, and the gin is nice.
Like I should have my toes in the sand.
Yeah.
Little umbrella in my drink.
But also the gin adds just enough of that floral sort of a thing going that it's not just Caribbean. It's also like, I don't know, Ina Garten party.
Well, I think it, to me, it is rare to find a tropical drink that isn't rum.
Yeah,
so I mean,
like a lot of them are.
This is actually, the recipe is from Empress 1908.
Yes.
So this is one of their recipes.
We didn't make this up.
No.
This is the first time we've ever drank it.
From them. So cheers to Empress 1908.
Cheers to Empress.
We like your product, and if you want to send us some, we wouldn't say no.
Not sponsored, but could be. You should be careful because I'm putting away 3 ounces of gin.
There's 3 ounces of gin, so I should maybe take my time.
Faster than I should. Like, I'm through 1 drink already.
Yeah, you should slow down.
I'm into the second of the double.
You should slow down, or you're going to just lay down. You're going to lay down on the floor behind the bar.
I'll be taking a nap down here, and Corey can finish the video out. I'm sure she knows the Facebook page.
I do.
You do?
Well, I mean, I can tell them where to find us.
Tell them where to find us.
You can find us on Facebook and Instagram at We Made It Cocktails. And you can find us on Twitter at We Made It Drinks. You can find us on YouTube. If you're finding us on social media, you can go subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notifications.
Please do.
For when we post new stuff. But follow us on the social media stuff because we are posting things like today we posted the Mai Tai.
Yes.
That we didn't do a video.
No,
so we're trying to post some content.
Sure.
That's not just these videos because as much as we love you guys and we love doing this, we can't do a video every day.
Well, I mean, we have to put on pants.
I mean, I didn't.
Well, you sort of have pants. I mean, I can't.
I'm not wearing real pants.
I can't be required to put on pants all the time. I mean, we're working from home. So let me just tell you, this is as dressed as I've been in a while. Yeah. And it's just for you.
But we will be here making you drinks as long as we can still get the booze.
We can, because they just changed the law.
And the bougie ingredients delivered on Amazon. And we will see you next time.
On We Made It.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, yours is all gone.
It's close.
Almost. But we decided, oh my gosh. Hold please. I'm shedding. And I have a hair like it's in the mic.
Still, and I will get it for. Oh my God, there's so many loose hairs.
It's because I curled my hair. All right, sorry.
I'm not an alcoholic. There is an alcohol that I don't like. Like I found one.
Oh, sorry, I just burped. You're gonna have to cut that out. At the beginning of this, I was like, when did I shower?
Was it Thursday or was it the prior Thursday?
Yesterday?
It was definitely a Thursday.
2 days ago. Seriously.
Could have the Rona.
She could have the Rona.
Plus, kids in general just petri dishes with legs.
They're all sticky.
Yeah.
And I don't know where.
Why is it all sticky?
They're all sticky, and I don't know. And snotty usually, and like covered in jam. We played online Singo, which is like bingo with music, for one of our local establishments, and it was $10 to play per person, and the money goes to their service worker, like their service staff relief fund. So it's going to help pay the servers, the bartenders, while they're not working. Yeah. So if you've got anything that like that around you, support that. I know a lot of establishments are doing to-go booze. Yeah, if there's a safe way for you to continue to support, and you can, please do. Yep. Because you're going to want those places to still exist on the other side of this. Absolutely. Maybe we should start over so you don't have to edit right after our hello. All right. We suck at this.